Here's all you need to know. Whose only mission was to do good in the world. We called it Citadel. Citadel's top spies were Mason Kane, Nadia Singh, and me, Bernard Orlick.
버나드의 간단한 요약으로 시작되는 시타델 시즌 2.
Or run by the world's richest families, murdered nearly every Citadel spy with the help of a mole. I went into hiding, but then discovered Mason Kane had survived the attack. Only his memories had been erased.
시타델의 요원들은 긴급 상황 시 기억을 지우는 칩이 심어져 있었고
In case a spy was captured, I could wipe all their memories to protect Citadel's secrets. When Mason came to, he believed his name was Kyle Conroy. He met his wife Abby and had a daughter. I found Mason and got him to help me bring down Manticore and their head honcho, Dahlia Archer.
하지만 이 과정에서 버나드는 납치당하고 말았었죠.
But Mason found another Citadel spy who had survived, Nadia Singh. Little did he know the two of them were once in love, married, and had a kid. Nadia got her memories back.
I remember everything.
And got Mason his memories back too.
결국 메이슨은 기억을 되찾으며 자신이 벌인 끔찍한 일들을 알게 됩니다.
Now pay attention here. Mason discovers Dahlia Archer is his mother. And she tricked Mason into giving her a list of all Citadel agents, who she then slaughtered. So yeah, Mason was the mole. And this is where we left you. Mason struggling with his old memories, which are now creeping back in. Nadia's finally reunited with her daughter Asha. Dahlia's on the run. And yeah, I'm still tied up in Manticore's hands.
그리고 이제 화면은 시즌2의 시작을 알리며 호화스러운 보트에 올라가는 한 남자를 비춥니다.
VIP only from here, buddy.
Who the fuck are you? Because I didn't invite no dumb fuck Yankee Povo to my party in those dirty fucking boots.
이때 그는 순식간에 남자들을 때려눕히는데
Stupid fucking twats!
You speak American?
Yeah.
Get out of here.
그렇게 남자는 할 말이 있는 듯 옆자리에 앉습니다.
Now, listen here, you fucking parasite. I have traveled a very long way to see you, so we're gonna have a little chat. 2 months ago, you smuggled cargo out of the U.S. paid for by Paulo Braga. Where is he?
Fuck you.
Wrong answer.
생명의 위협을 느끼자 남자는 파울로라는 남자의 집 주소를 황급히 보여줍니다.
He lives outside Marseille.
Beautiful. And what did he have you transport? Weapons? Drugs?
No. A man.
No shit. Orlick. He'll come in handy.
이제 화면은 프랑스로가 납치당한 버나드를 비추는데요.
Are you with me? What's your name?
Arnaud Durand,
Where were you born, Arnaud?
Alsace.
Ask him about his brothers.
How many brothers do you have?
3.
Ask him their names.
Oh, you fucking ask him. You're right fucking here.
Bernard.
현재 버나드는 협박을 당해 어떤 남성의 목덜미에 칩을 심는 연구를 강제로 하고 있었습니다.
I can feel something in my head. What's...
It's just a hunk of metal. A receiver.
Oh, what?
Something beautiful, man. Something we're gonna write onto your brain.
다음 날 버나드를 끌고 함께 움직이는 파울로.
We're all set, Mr. Braga.
Good, Joanna.
Bring him.
It's time to shine, Bernard.
파울로는 칩을 이용한 인체 실험을 하고 있었죠.
Giddy up.
We're synced. He's ready to go.
Now let's see how truly brilliant you are.
바로 그때 괴로워하던 남자가 온순하게 바뀌고 잠시 후 파울로는 남자의 손에 권총을 쥐어주는데요.
Go on.
명령을 들은 남자는 자신의 형제들에게 권총을 겨누기 시작하고 그런데 이때 제정신을 차린 듯한 남자.
The fuck is this? Buddy. Keep this to me, please. Just, yeah. I waited a month for this!
Why did you do that?
Because you fucked it up!
There's a chip in his head. You just shot him in his head.
So now I fucked it up. Shit.
그러더니 파울로는 죽은 사람들을 벌레 보듯 쳐다보며 목덜미에 심어진 칩을 꺼냅니다.
It's too good. Don't try to fuck me again. I'm closing in on your friends as we speak.
한편 이제 화면은 독일에서 딸과 함께 은둔 생활을 하고 있는 나디아를 비추는데요.
Take that wig off.
Why? You get to wear it.
And that stupid mask.
So,
Try it. It's delicious.
is that where they took Grandpa?
No,
Well, we need to find him.
we will.
그런데 이때 나디아는 근처에서 인기척을 감지하고 그렇게 나디아가 주변을 경계하며 나아가던 바로 그때 나디아는 총을 쏘며 곧바로 응전하는다. 그때 연기 속에서 누군가가 모습을 드러내고 결국 딸을 대피시킨 뒤 나디아는 킬러와 사투를 벌입니다. 그렇게 나디아는 겨우 킬러를 제압하는 데 성공하죠.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
한편 이제 화면은 스웨덴에서 마찬가지로 아내와 함께 은둔 생활을 하고 있는 메이슨을 비춥니다. 그는 자신이 시타될 요원인 메이슨인 걸 알았지만 현재는 애비의 남편인 카일로서 살기를 원하고 있습니다.
You know, when I'm done with Hendrik's room, I'm going to start in the basement. And I was thinking I could turn it into an art space. And the summers here are going to be beautiful.
I want to see Hendrix. I have been very patient. It's been a month since we all left Utah and scattered to the winds, and I want to see my daughter. I need to hold her.
It's not safe.
How do you know that?
Because I know.
How do you know that?
Manticore is everywhere. Every security camera, every cell phone. 8 families with all the money in the world looking for me, Nadia, Carter, and you so they can kill us. So the best thing for Hendrix is to be with Orlik's family and for us to be here, getting a home ready for her for when it's safe. Until then, no contact, no communication.
I just want to see my daughter. I want to know that Hendrix is okay.
If she wasn't here,
Nadia's got Asha with her.
and she shouldn't. She knows she's putting her in danger.
Or maybe she knows that she is the only one who can actually protect her. A child needs their mother.
Hendrix is fine!
애비의 하소연에 답답한 건 메이슨도 마찬가지.
What do you want from me?
I want to know who is sitting across the table from me, who is keeping me from my kid. Are you the man I married, or are you him? Because you can't be both.
I'm the man you love.
How do I know that?
Just because I...
How do I know?
I don't know, okay? I don't know! I had a vial of shit shot in my head. And now I have memories, what I did, what was done to me. Everything that was Mason is now inside me. But I do know that I love you. I love Hendrix. I will prove that to you, that I am Kyle.
그렇게 메이슨이 아내와 다투는 사이 화면은 다시 파울로를 비춥니다.
State media is reporting that Russian President Dmitry Aronov is set to attend the G8 summit.
Joanna.
Aronov has taken in 3 years since the failed coup in Moscow by the Volga mercenaries.
The little Russian worm crawls out of his little Russian hole.
잠시 후 파울로는 프로그램을 설계 중인 버나드에게 향하는데요.
The genius at work. So, Bernard, I don't like to be pushy. I know you can't rush art, but I need my assassin in 10 days.
That's impossible.
But you have made a career out of making the impossible possible. That's why I had Dahlia ship you to my doorstep.
I don't know what to tell you.
What I'm saying, Bernard, is do your fucking job. I'm off to Paris till tomorrow. It's now or never, Bernard. You have 10 days.
파울로는 러시아 대통령을 암살하기 위해 버나드의 프로그램을 재촉하고 있었죠.
Petit déjeuner.
이때 숨겨왔던 유리 조각을 꺼내는 버나드.
Open it! Open it!
그렇게 버나드의 반격이 시작됩니다. 한치의 오차도 없이 버나드가 모든 적을 쓰러뜨리고 달아나려던 바로 그때
You missed one.
Oh, fuck me. Not you.
Sad to see you getting sloppy in your old age, Bernard. You should be honored, by the way. I could have been saving anyone's life today, but I'm out here in this shithole saving your worthless ass. Now, give me the gun. Come on.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Making sure no one else tries to shoot you in the fucking head. That okay?
Why are you really here, Hutch?
I'm here to kill Paulo Braga, Bernie. And I can tell by the look in your eyes that you'd like to kill him too.
No, what? No, fuck my eyes. I'm trying to get away from Paulo Braga.
I'm gonna do you a big favor, Bernie. I'm gonna team up with you.
You're an idiot.
Lucky for you, I got another car about a mile up the road.
How is this happening?
Or you could try getting an Uber.
결국 버나드는 어쩔 수 없이 허치와 함께 움직이기로 하죠.
So what did Braga want with you anyway?
He was forcing me to build a mind control program.
What do you mean a mind control program?
It's a microchip, and then it gets implanted into someone's brain, and then you can transmit those instructions, and you can get them to do whatever you want them to do. Basically, take away their free will. That's what it is.
That sounds pretty sci-fi, Bernard.
Yep, because that's what I do, Hutch. I make sci-fi shit. He wanted an instant assassin.
Like the Manchurian Candidate?
Yes, Hutch, like the Manchurian Candidate.
So you built this thing for him, huh? That's pretty fucked up, Bernard.
He was going to kill my family.
이제 다시 화면은 독일로가 한 파티장으로 향하는 나디아를 비춥니다.
Wir sind Sie?
Ich bin wegen der Party hier.
What the fuck was that? That sounded like gunfire. Okay, I'll tell you what's going to happen. I'm going to go in here. Anyone comes through this door, shoot them. Try getting through that, you bastards.
Hi, Frankie.
What the fuck?
나디아는 자신을 습격한 킬러의 정체를 알아내기 위해 정보 요원인 프랜시스를 찾은 것이었는데요.
What the fuck happened to you? You look like shit.
I need the name of every Manticore agent so I can kill them.
Everyone's looking for you. Don't be ridiculous.
I'm not gonna have my daughter on the run every few weeks. I'm not gonna dye her hair, change her name. So you better listen to me and listen to me carefully. You're gonna wipe our identities. You're gonna disappear us like you do.
Radioactive. I'm on the shit list. A new bloke came in and I did things the old way and... So fucking what?
You seem fine to me.
This isn't mine, you fucking donut. This is an Airbnb. I'm a shell. A handsome shell, but a shell. Look, I have no idea where you've come from. I have no idea why you're still alive. You're pointing the gun at the wrong fella. You had a mole within Citadel.
I know we had a mole.
Do you know who it is, do you?
이때 프랜시스는 나디아가 몰랐던 시타델의 배신자에 대해 얘기합니다.
How could you possibly know?
His mum told me. I think you know who it is. I think you know because you married him.
결국 나디아는 프랜시스를 통해 시타델의 배신자가 메이슨이었다는 것을 알게 되죠.
Marry me.
이제 화면은 스웨덴으로가 어딘가로 몰래 향하는 애비를 보여줍니다. 애비는 딸을 보호하고 있는 요원에게 연락해 만나자는 약속을 잡지만 결국 파울로 일행에게 꼬리를 잡히고 마는데요. 그렇게 파울로 일당은 애비와 메이슨을 잡기 위해 준비를 시작합니다. 그 시각 요원을 만나기 위해 한 가게로 들어서는 애비.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I don't know what to do anymore. So
Yeah, I got you.
how's Hendrix?
You'll see tomorrow.
Carter, thank you so much.
Don't thank me. Right? I owe you
For what?
for lying to you.
Lying about what?
Let's go, Brian. It's not safe in here.
Carter. Lying about what?
He didn't want you to know.
Kyle?
Mason,
No what?
who you are.
그런데 이때 요원의 의미심장한 말을 뒤로한 채 애비는 악당들에게 습격을 받는데요. 숨죽인 채 일단 숨기로 한 두 사람. 하지만 남자는 자신을 희생하기로 합니다. 잠시 후 애비는 악당을 피해 자동차 밑으로 숨어보지만
Where is Mason King?
그런데 이때 누군가가 애비를 구하러 나타나는데요.
They killed Carter. I told you not to contact anyone. Abby, how many more are there? Sorry. How many more are there, Abby? Get here. Stay there!
아내를 구하기 위해 메이슨은 다시 시타델 요원으로 돌아가 적을 제압하기 시작합니다. 그렇게 메이슨은 겨우 적을 처치하는데 성공하지만 결국 애비를 빼앗기고만 메이슨은 집으로 가 황급히 무기들을 챙깁니다. 그런데 이때 누군가가 메이슨을 습격하는데요. 메이슨은 기습을 통해 자신을 습격한 이를 제압하지만
What is wrong with you?
It was you.
그렇게 메이슨은 진실을 알아버린 나디아의 분노를 맞닥뜨리고 말죠.
Do it.
하지만 나디아는 한때 사랑했던 메이슨에게 차마 방아쇠를 당기지 못합니다.
Dahlia's your mother. You gave her all her names, our covers.
I didn't know.
They murdered thousands of us.
I didn't know who she was or who she was working for.
You murdered thousands
And
of us.
Citadel murdered my father. They burned him alive. They made me into this.
You took 8 years from me. 8 years with Asha. Stay away from us. If I see you again, I will kill you.
한편 파울루는 버나드가 휩쓸고 간 저택을 보며 분노하는데요.
Tell me you fucking have something.
Yeah, he had help.
Oh shit, he had help.
And we found a grenade pin.
Yeah, there were grenades involved, I'm well aware.
American made. The guy who helped him is former CIA.
We lost the one man who could build what we need. And we have 9 days.
We have everyone looking for him. But we have options. There's someone else who can fix this software. Korean hacker, some say better than Orlick. But he is a ghost.
Interesting.
Yes.
Who the fuck is that?
That's Mason Kane's wife. We have her.
그 사이 자고 있던 한 남자가 인기척을 느끼고
Metti le mani dove posso vedere.
You're out of Campari. What kind of Italian are you?
Bernardo.
Ciao.
What are you doing here, Bernardo?
I'm assuming you still work for Reuters.
Sì.
I need you to put out a story for me.
버나드는 오랫동안 알고 지낸 남자에게 기사를 써달라 부탁하지만 남자는 난처하다며 거절하는데요.
You wanted to help future generations.
Boring. Come on. If you got to use so many fancy words to convince someone doing something, they're probably not going to do it. Look, buddy, run the story tomorrow, or I'm going to come back here and shoot you in the dick. Okay?
결국 허치의 화끈한 협상이 남자에게 먹히고 버나드는 기사를 약속받습니다. 그 시각 누군가를 찾아가는 메이슨.
Hey, Mom. You look well. For a dead woman.
You here to kill me?
Eventually. First, I need you to help me find my wife.
Didn't we do this once before? Didn't go so well last time, is it?
한편 납치당한 에비는 자신을 찾아온 파울루의 부하를 만나고
Where am I? This scar. I told you that was from a car accident, yeah? Is that what they told you?
What? Who are you?
Oh, better question. Who are you? It is a pleasure to meet you, Celeste.
이곳에서 에비는 자신 역시 시타델 요원 설레스트였다는 걸 알게 되죠.
I took it off a man who came for me. Need you to decrypt it.
It's an encryption used by the Manticore families.
멘티코어의 수장이자 엄마인 달리아의 도움을 받는 메이슨.
Is this Paulo Braga, the billionaire?
And head of the wealthiest Manticore family.
Where can I find him?
Well, I'd wish you luck finding Braga and your wife, but maybe a bit of luck has already come your way.
이들은 버나드의 사망 기사를 보곤 단숨에 이것이 그가 보내는 암호문이라는 걸 간파합니다.
For him, they're all coming for you, love. Braga, Manticore, and though you can't see it yet, you're friends. You think they'll ever forgive you for what you did to Citadel? When they turn on you, which they will, you would do well to have family watching your back.
Is that you? Family.
We were in the same apartment, heard the same explosion, saw the man we both loved melt into his fucking bed. And I promise you, you can trust me more than the man who did.
What are you talking about?
One man planned that drone strike, gave the order that killed your father, and I assure you, he won't hesitate to kill you.
한편 모텔에 머물고 있던 나디아는 다급한 딸의 목소리를 듣는데요.
Nadia?
What is it?
Och, en amerikansk turist dog.
En man, Brad Hedmer från Townhall, Kalifornien, dödförklarades av franska myndigheter.
나디아 역시 버나드의 사망 소식에서 패턴을 찾아내 암호를 푸는 데 성공하죠.
We gotta go.
그렇게 나디아는 죽은 줄 알았던 버나드와 재회하게 됩니다.
You look nice.
And you're alive.
You don't seem thrilled.
I'm over the moon.
Well, your face isn't exactly conveying that.
Why the SOS, Bernard?
After all these years, you still don't trust me, do you?
I don't trust dead men that suddenly resurrect when the timing's convenient.
Okay, guys, we get it. You don't trust each other. But can we keep this moving? We haven't got all day.
Who's this clown?
Hutch. Jim. It's a pleasure. This is my partner, Celine Rohr.
Not a pleasure.
Please tell me what I'm doing here.
They're former CIA, and this is your new mission.
You really know how to pick them, huh?
Nadia. Nadia.
Get fucked,
Nadia,
Bernard.
wait. I know it was him.
How?
I spent 8 years in a bunker. I had a lot of time to think. I figured it either had to be you or him. And when I saw the way you looked at him in there, I had my answer.
If you knew he was the mole, why did you bring him back?
I needed him then, and I need him now.
He's impossible to trust.
Maybe. But all I know is Manticore is going to come after you and your daughter and me and mine. And if you want to get out of this thing, if you want to get truly out for good, then what you have to do is you have to kill them first. All 8 families, starting with Paulo Braga. That's the only way. And if Mason Kane is good at one thing, it's killing people. Please, I need you, Nadia. And if he makes one wrong move, I will fucking kill him myself.
결국 나디아와 메이슨 그리고 버나드는 한 가지 목적을 위해 복잡한 감정을 숨긴 채 움직이기로 합니다.
So these are your best and brightest, Bernard?
Enough. Come over here. Paulo Braga is days away from perfecting tech that can co-opt a person's mind and turn them into an assassin. He will then use that assassin to kill Russian President Aronov at the G8.
Why?
I believe he wants eyes everywhere.
The Russian spy satellite network.
It's the cutting edge of surveillance technology. If Paulo kills Aronov and puts their corrupt prime minister in power,
then he would have eyes everywhere.
The G8 is in 7 days, and we have to find Paulo before he kills Aronov.
They have Abby. Saving the world isn't my problem.
You can't save Abby without getting to Paulo, and you get to Paulo by stopping his assassin. There are 2 steps to getting the assassin operational. Step 1 is the easy part, implanting a receiver chip into the host cerebellum. Step 2, the programming itself that hijacks the brain. I purposely sabotage the programming, creating a firewall to block any transmission longer than a minute. And there are only 2 people in the world who could disable that firewall and get the code to work. One is me, and the other is a Korean hacker by the name of Edison. We have to get him before Braga does. There's only one photograph of Edison that exists from a surveillance photo like 15 years
하지만 에디슨이란 한국인은 자료를 뒤집어 쓴 사진밖에 없었고 그때 나디아가 익숙한 얼굴을 찾아냅니다.
I know that guy with Edison. That's Frank Sharp, maitre d' of the European spy world. Maybe he can lead us to Edison. Except he's a major pain in the ass.
Well, I guess he's about to become our pain in the ass.
Great.
Look, okay, I get it. As a team, we're a fucking disaster.
Don't undersell it.
But we're the only ones standing in the way of this lunatic.
며칠 뒤 프랜시스의 집으로 버나드 일행이 모여듭니다.
Now, I'm guessing you're not here for the massage.
He does look broke, doesn't he? Kind of like a sad, old, artful Dodger.
Well, what the fuck do you look like? Apart from a shit Tom Cruise with your dad's sunglasses on.
He's plucky. I like him.
I don't.
Who cares? Come on, then. What do you want?
Maybe some fusilli with fresh tomato and basil.
Where the hell did he come from?
버나드는 프랜시스에게 에디슨에 관해 묻지만 그 역시 에디슨에 대한 정보는 많이 알지 못했는데요.
Edison was a hacker, which is what he did, and then he left.
That's it? Do you remember what he looked like?
I didn't see his face. He had a bag over his head.
Who was he with? Was he with Korean NIS?
No, it was handled by the CIA.
How do you know it was the CIA, you crumpet-eating motherfucker?
Because CIA always tell you they're CIA.
So, if Edison was handled by the CIA, they would know his true identity, they would know his whereabouts, and that intel would be stored at CIA European headquarters in Rome.
Bernard.
그런데 이때 CIA 출신 허치는 CIA 본부로 향하자는 버나드의 말에 불편함을 드러내지만 버나드는 물러서지 않습니다.
Blindfolded. We can do this.
Now, you said we.
Yeah.
That made me nervous. I assume you mean you three. Because it'd be very strange to include me in any kind of we. See? Why are you staring at me?
You're broke, and I'm hiring. There's no need to overcomplicate this.
거절하기엔 너무 많은 돈이었죠.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Put the gun away.
Yeah, I know how to walk.
Just keep moving, you limey bastard.
결국 CIA의 유럽집으로 온 이들은 준비한 연극을 시작합니다.
Can I help you?
We're already being helped. You're gonna want to use her as. It'll just be a second.
All right, relax. We come with a peace offering. Nadia Singh and Frank Sharp.
Francis.
CIA에서 골칫덩이였던 허치는 자신이 1급 범죄자로 분류된 나디아와 프랜시스를 잡아왔다며 연기를 펼치는데요.
Give me Bantam cash.
Bantam and cash. You had to come all the way to this shithole to get a promotion, huh?
Don't get cute, wise ass.
Where the fuck have you been?
Going against our orders and trying to kill Braga?
Guys, I've been on what you might call a little self-directed mission.
그렇게 나디아와 허치가 시간을 끄는 사이 버나드와 메이슨은 바깥에서 음파 공격을 준비합니다.
Conditioning your ass back to the States. God!
You are in no position to make any kind of demands. Do you understand that?
I am, though. I am in that position.
How much more?
10 more seconds. Otherwise, we cook them.
미리 음파 공격에 대비했던 두 사람은 계획대로 움직이기 시작하는데요.
Took my ID. Open the door, Tony.
Three, 4, 5, 8, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 8, 4.
Access denied.
잠시 후 허치는 기밀 정보가 들어있는 중앙 컴퓨터로 향합니다. 그리고 메이슨이 미리 채취해두었던 지문인식기로 보안을 푸는데 성공하는 허치.
Access granted.
Thank you.
Let's find out who you are, Mr. Edison. Holy shit. You sneaky little sons of bitches. Now that's a bait and switch.
그렇게 에디슨에 대한 정보를 알아내는 사이 이곳으로 달려오는 CIA 요원들.
Yeah, that was actually kind of messed up. Oh, shit. Didn't I give you the earplugs?
No, you didn't.
잠시 후 나디아와 허치 일행이 합류하고
You have it? All right, who's Edison?
Ha Jun-yu, Korean national, born in 73.
Holy shit.
What, you know this guy?
He's one of the richest men in South Korea. He was a former hacker that went private. Looks like we're going to Seoul, guys.
Probably not. In 2 days' time, it's the Greenpeace annual gala in Windsor, which is a significant date in the billionaire's social calendar. Harjun and his wife are huge contributors to Greenpeace.
So can you guarantee that Harjun and his wife are going to be at this gala?
Better than that, Mr. Chicken McNugget. They're going to be hosting it.
Ah ben, peut-être pas si inutile celui-là finalement.
Yeah, I can speak French.
Shut the fuck up, you guys. We're meeting Orlik in 30 minutes.
Un visage de connasse elle par contre.
Putain connasse.
On parle tous français.
한편 나디아 일행을 기다리던 버나드는 자신을 찾아온 메이슨과 만나는데요.
They should be here soon.
Along 40 years. Did you know the world used to be a place where things were very clearly defined? Good and evil, right and wrong, truth and lies. I don't know who's a threat or who isn't anymore.
Hasn't that always been the job? Not knowing, just trusting what we believe in and putting a bullet through anyone who thinks differently. I mean, isn't that what you trained me to be? That bullet.
Yes, I did. 2,562 people were slaughtered in their homes. What kind of person would do that? Betray those people? Do you have any idea? No?
I went to her because the agency was keeping my wife from me, and she told me the organization I devoted my life to had killed my father when I was a boy. I said I'd help bring him to justice. What the fuck would you have done?
Probably something that wouldn't have killed 2,000 innocent people. But everyone's a Monday morning quarterback, aren't they?
She took it upon herself to have them killed. I had no idea who she was working for or what she would do. Even after all that, she didn't get the guy who gave the order.
It was an error.
Go on.
It was a miscalculation. We were tracking a terror cell, and our informant sold us out. I was given the wrong coordinates.
I was given the wrong coordinates. That's the best you've got? Because you killed my father, Bernard. You murdered 342 UN workers. How are we not the same? How are we not the same?
I made a decision to help others. It went wrong. You made a decision to help yourself, to feed your vengeance. That's how we're not the same.
두 사람의 갈등은 쉽게 풀어낼 수 있는 것이 아니었죠.
So where do we go from here?
There is an asshole that needs to be stopped. And as much of an asshole as you are, I need you. And, whether you believe it or not, you need me too.
그리고 다음 날 에디슨에 관한 작전 브리핑이 시작됩니다.
Come on, gather around. Here's our mark, Ha-Jun Yu. He and his wife will be co-hosting the Greenpeace Gala tomorrow night at the Plymouth Estate in Windsor. We get in, abduct him, we get out. Mr. Yu will no doubt have security. We just have to scoop him before Paolo does. So, Hutch, you and Celine, you're going to neutralize the target. You two are going to carry out the exfil. Frank and I... Francis and I will be waiting outside to transport. Got it?
Yeah.
Just a partner discovered Edison's identity.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
And?
Ha-Jun Yu.
그 시각 파울루 일행도 에디슨에 관한 정보를 알아내고 그 사이 나디아와 메이슨은 잠입 준비를 하고 있습니다. 버나드와 메이슨의 갈등만큼 나디아와 메이슨의 갈등도 쉬운 문제는 아니었죠.
There he is.
They're on the move.
잠시 후 종업원으로 대기하고 있던 허치와 셀린이 나타나고
Oh, sexy robot looks sexy.
I don't see it. Guys, how's it going? Hey, have you guys, could I've got some champagne here. Could I give this to your guests?
Sure.
Great. All right. Enjoy. Go. Enjoy.
All right.
Nice to meet you.
How long will this take?
Almost instant. Boss, Paro was looking for you. Oh, excuse me, darling. I'll be back.
그런데 이때 에디슨이 파티에 참석한 파울로의 호출을 받고 움직이는 돌발 상황이 생깁니다.
She is about to regret wearing that white dress.
Time to go.
I am.
어째선지 허치는 에디슨의 아내를 미행하기 시작하고 이를 바라보는 파울로의 부하.
Paulo? Hi, June, brother. I'm so sorry to pull you away from the party. I wanted to steal a tight fight with you to ask for your help.
So set up a meeting.
Not that kind of help. Please have a seat. Have a seat. I know who you are, friend. I have a program that needs to be finished, and there's only one person in the world who can finish it. Edison.
그 사이 셀리는 에디슨의 아내를 쫓아 화장실에 도착하고
They never expect a woman.
Who is that?
I am no one. But you are Edison.
바로 그때 허치를 따라와 기습을 준비하는 파울로의 부하.
Come on, Frenchie, time to go.
All these years, your husband was the cover.
파울로의 부하는 엄청난 실력을 뽐내며 허치와 셀린을 제압하기 시작하는데요. 부하인 아파르나 덕분에 파울로는 진짜 에디슨을 잡는 데 성공하죠.
You always did strike me as an idiot. It seems like I should be negotiating with your wife.
잠시 후 볼일을 마치고 다시 아지트로 돌아가려던 파울로는
Glad to meet you. I want my wife.
그렇게 메이슨이 아내를 구하기 위해 파울로를 개인적으로 납치하면서 상황은 알 수 없게 흘러갑니다.
Drive.
그 시각 뒤늦게 정신을 차린 나디아가 버나드에게 현재 상황을 보고하는데요.
What the fuck happened in Mason took Paolo. He's gonna use him as leverage to get Abby back. How the fuck could you let him take him? Don't you fucking put this on me! You brought him back!
Damn it!
Hutch.
Yo.
Tell me you have Edison. We lost Edison.
No, Paolo just killed Edison.
That's not Edison. It's the wife. She's the hacker.
What are you talking about?
Now I'm confused.
What?
You got crazy noise, bitch, to Edison.
Well, find her!
Dick.
We lose Paolo and this is over.
What the fuck you mean he's gone?
Kane took him.
Where?
We don't know.
I want you to call in.
Yes, ma'am.
Now!
한편 메이슨은 납치한 파울로를 데리고 엄마인 달리아의 집으로 향합니다.
Your friends or his will find us here. I'd say we have 2 hours till they do. Why don't you go and clean up?
Where would Mason go?
He's laying low until they fly Abby to London and make the exchange.
Well, how'd he disappear so quickly?
Coming in, there was a car parked just off the road. It was a grey Fiat, but I didn't get the plates.
Well, I got some friends at the Met. They might be able to help with that.
You think he stole the car,
Or someone else was waiting there for him.
모두가 메이슨의 위치를 추측하는 사이 파울로를 깨우는 메이슨.
Look at you bringing us back together, mending old wounds.
You know this is suicide. How does this play out?
Get in touch with your people. Make a trade. I get my wife, they get you.
There's one big problem with the offer. I don't even know if she is still alive.
It would be very bad for you if she isn't. It would be very bad for you if anything has happened to her.
He has a son. Must be what? 10 by now? Yeah. I would bring him his wife.
I know you have little regard for children, seen as you once tried to kill your own. But if you ever speak about my son again, I will burn you to death like your husband.
We're out of time.
We need to call your people. We need a number.
그렇게 메이슨은 파울로에게서 전화번호를 받아내는데 성공하는데요.
How do you want to play this?
There's a corner shop half a mile from here that sells prepaid mobiles. You stay here, I'll make the call.
이때 파울로가 메이슨을 향해 말을 꺼내기 시작합니다.
We have Edison now, so all this, it's meaningless.
Unfortunately for you, I don't give a fuck about your satellites, or the assassin, or anything else. I'm just here for my wife.
And you really trust your mother to make the call? Maybe she's negotiating for something more and will sell you out in the process.
At least she's not here negotiating with you.
So you don't trust her?
Who is this?
Joanna, lovely to hear your voice, dear. Though you do sound a little stressed. Listen, if you want him back, bring Abby Conroy to London immediately.
This is you, Dahlia.
Well, when your kid's in a pickle.
We have everyone on this. We'll find you within the hour. So I suggest you bring him back to us before we do find you. I'll make sure they don't...
Make my death quick and painless? No, you really are out of your depth, you ridiculous twat. I'll call back with a location.
결국 고민에 빠진 그녀는 파울로와 애비를 교환하기로 마음먹죠.
Time to go.
한편 인맥을 동원해 메이슨이 타고 간 차량을 쫓던 프랜시스는 겨우 정보를 얻는데 성공합니다.
I'm good. How are you? Listen, I need a favor. I need eyes on the Plymouth Estate, Windsor. It's a grey Fiat at around 10:20 this evening. You can thank me later.
We haven't done anything yet.
Fiat 95, grey, yeah. That's it. The Plymouth Gallery to Croydon. Okay, thanks very much. The camera's lost the car on the outskirts of Croydon, but it's definitely them.
Okay.
Here, 37 St. Anne's Way.
그렇게 버나드 일행이 달리아의 집으로 향하는 사이 거래 장소를 말하는 달리아.
Under the Haymouth Bridge, East End, 4 a.m. Don't be late.
애비는 거래를 위해 차량에 탑승하고 그 사이 파울로는 메이슨을 도발하기 시작하는데요.
Is that your father? Do you often think of him? Your father was a saint.
I'm done talking about my father.
Why? I find it so interesting that your father was killed with hundreds of others, and then you killed thousands to avenge his death. Do you think he will be proud of you, of what you did for him?
Is this how you think you're gonna get to me?
I don't think you have any intention of following through on your end of this bargain. I think I leave here a dead man.
그때 달리아가 말한 2시간이 눈앞으로 다가오고
We can remake the world the way your father saw it.
I told you I'm done talking about my father.
Because he would be ashamed of you, that you're his son? Because he would be. I'm giving you a choice. To absolve yourself from what you've done. To reject what you are. That's why you became a spy, isn't it? Because it was the only way to hide your true nature, your true soul. It was survival, wasn't it? To hide even you from yourself. Because if you saw what you really were, you wouldn't be able to go on. You've brought only pain and death to everyone who loved you. And your daughters will grow up and they'll have to spend the rest of their lives scrubbing themselves of any residue of you so horrified that they're yours, that they'll dream about drowning you out in an ocean and wonder why the world didn't allow them the chance to kill you themselves.
Oh, God.
결국 메이슨은 자신의 트라우마를 건드린 파울루를 향해 방아쇠를 당기고 말았죠. 그리고 잠시 후 이 광경을 목격하는 달리아.
You may have just killed your wife.
What are we gonna do?
What size suit you wear?
그 사이 달리아의 집에 도착하는 버나드 일행.
Lights are on.
Still warm.
Yeah.
Addison's gone. They flew her out.
이때 나디아는 옷장에서 파울루의 시체를 발견하죠.
What?
Change of plan.
No, no change of plans.
I'm speaking now. Charing Cross Tube Station, old platform 3, 10 minutes.
Once you've got her, get out of there. No matter what happens. Just keep her safe. You understand?
And if this exchange happens to go pear-shaped, you be sure to make way for Mason. We're gonna need every bit of him.
I don't think there's much of Kyle left.
Looks that way.
파울루의 인격이 담긴 센서를 부착한 뒤 메이슨은 작전을 시작합니다.
Let's do this. Thank you for this.
잠시 후 거래 장소에 도착하는 이들.
Stop there!
Joe, don't pull anything.
No one's doing anything. Where's Mason?
Well, someone has to keep eyes. I'm certain you're doing the same. Just the two of you. Just know. I go, he goes.
She's not fucking around.
Shut up!
Okay, let's just relax.
The girl walks to me, then I let Paolo go.
No. You let him go first.
No, that's not happening. I'll kill him where he stands.
And I'll kill her.
I will fucking do it!
Help me!
Same time.
What's my guarantee, dear?
What's mine, Dahlia?
긴장된 분위기 속에 계획대로 애비를 구하는데 성공한 메이슨.
Always a pleasure, Dahlia. All right, go. You're safe now.
Am I?
I told you to go!
Fuck off.
그렇게 달리아는 처음으로 모성애를 드러냅니다.
Down!
Ow! Your head!
Oh, I'm fine.
Abby, are you okay?
You mean Celeste?
결국 메이슨은 가장 숨기고 싶었던 사람에게 자신의 과거가 드러나고 맙니다.
How could you have done that to me?
Mason did this to you.
Fuck off!
한편 달리아의 차량을 전속력으로 쫓고 있는 버나드.
But Kyle knew, didn't you? You knew home was gonna be compromised.
Just get us out of this city!
Where?
What does it matter?
그렇게 메이슨 일행은 버나드에 의해 신변이 구속되고 마는데요.
What is there to talk about? Mason killed the motherfucker, which is really a huge boner killer for me and Celine.
He knew that was offhang.
Right.
Paolo can still win this thing.
How? He's stuffed in the kitchen closet with his brains leaking into a box of Cocoa Pops.
Paolo can still win this thing because Joanna will see his plan through. She'll kill the Russian president and pay his number 2 for the satellites. We have 30 hours before the Russian president is assassinated at the G8.
You said you made that Manchurian candidate code so tough to hack, it would take them years to figure it out.
With a black hat like Edison, they'll do it in no time.
그 시각 버나드의 말대로 파울루의 부하 조아나는 에디슨을 협박해 해킹을 하고 있었죠.
27 hours. That's impossible. I'm sure your daughter's probably at home waiting for your safe return. But if you don't fix this, I will send one of my people in there to douse her in gasoline and set her on fucking fire. 27 hours.
한편 메이슨과 불편한 재회를 하는 나디아.
Is Abby okay?
Mild concussion, but she's fine.
My mother?
Stitched it up best I could. She'll live, unfortunately. That's for tasing me. That's for lying to me.
Are we done? You feel better?
I feel great. You stupid little bitch. What were you thinking?
I was thinking I needed to save my wife, which I did. I killed Paolo. Why the fuck am I tied up?
Because I don't trust you. The assassin's in motion. Gonna hit the G8 tomorrow.
Why are you telling me?
Because the consensus is apparently you're needed for this. Figure out who you are. You can't be both of them. One will win.
메이슨은 카일과의 인격 사이에서 선택을 강요당합니다.
Finally got me into your boudoir, you old bag.
The stuff of my nightmares. Oh, really, this is too pathetic a way to kill me, even for you.
Yes, I know. I imagined something quite different. Like a stake through the heart, then you would combust into a million bats. It's a funny thing about faking your own death. When you're actually dying, you owe me a tooth.
You owe me a husband, and a son, and a life. You took it all away from me.
And you don't think that leaving a 5-year-old child and coming back years later and manipulating him to murder thousands of his colleagues had anything to do with him breaking away from you?
He was broken by you when he was 5 years old and saw his father burning to death in his bed. broken again years later at 23 when you took him under your wing and made him believe that violence against those inconvenient to your idea of progress was somehow justice.
Maybe I felt guilty. Maybe I was trying to point him down the right path.
You can't point down the right path with your hands covered in blood. But really, it's very sweet of you. But you are a poor imitation of a father.
I loved him too, you know. Thomas.
Well, apparently, not enough to spare him.
It was an error.
It was my life. So either just get on with this or tell me this if you're not here to kill me and you're not here to gloat. Why are you here, Bernard?
그렇게 버나드가 고민하는 사이 메이슨이 달리아를 찾아오는데요.
You good? Well, I didn't kill her, so been better.
On the contrary, I think this is the start of a beautiful friendship, Bernard.
I'll leave you to it.
You okay?
The pain's nothing compared to having you. You're a fat wanker of a baby. Your wife stitched me up good. Nadia.
Thank you for helping me get my wife back. Abby.
I'm sorry for what I did to you. For what I made you. But there's still time for you to choose who you are and what you are.
잠시 후 고민을 마친 메이슨이 내려오고
All right, look, everyone. Already bored. No one cares.
Don't look at me.
All right. All world leaders will arrive at the summit tomorrow at 11 a.m. There are checkpoints all over, so no weapons. You'll be fully exposed. Because once you're inside with the tech that Joanna has, she can turn anybody there into a killer. So I think that she's going to kill him at the press conference.
It's a 7-hour journey, so we need to go now.
I need to put Abby somewhere safe first.
Ah bah oui, bien sûr. And we should just trust you that that's where you're going.
Yeah, we've heard that one before, buddy. And usually it ends up with us getting dicked over and somebody's brains all over your shoes.
I can go with them. Make sure it stays on track.
Yes, fine.
I'm not going anywhere with you, with either of you.
You stay here, they'll find you, they'll kill you, then what's Hendrix gonna do?
다시 분위기는 냉랭해지고 그때 기회를 보던 메이슨이 말을 꺼냅니다.
You would have done the same for your wife.
Is that right? Because a week ago I called my wife and I told her that was the last time I was going to speak with her. Do you know why?
Tell me.
Because the only way I can do what I need to do is to shed myself of everyone I care about. That's why.
But don't ask me to appreciate your sacrifice.
I'm not going to play blood on my hands Olympics with you.
You were going to let Abby die.
Yeah, as I would have let Joe, Val, you, or me. Because the alternative is exactly the same. We fail, they die anyway. What do you want from me?
Remorse.
메이슨의 진지함에 버나드 역시 진지하게 답합니다.
I'm sorry.
I'm not.
Yes, I am. I know what I took from you when you were a boy. I know it only too well. It haunts me every day. But maybe what we do tomorrow can start to set things right. There's a cottage about a mile away from the safe house. You can take Abby there. And then I need Mason Kane. One last time.
그렇게 버나드 일행과 메이슨 일행은 잠시 따로 움직이게 됩니다. 잠시 후 버나드가 말한 별장으로 향하는 메이슨과 애비 그리고 나디아. 완전히 기억을 찾지 못한 애비는 자신의 요원 시절이 궁금해 나디아에게 질문을 던지는데요.
So we were friends?
We were.
Close? Were you in on it, what he did to me? No. And why didn't you tell me who I was?
I really didn't know how.
이렇게 세 사람의 불편한 분위기가 계속되는 사이 조아나는 러시아의 총리를 만나 협상을 합니다.
Mr. Prime Minister,
Where is Mr. Braga?
I'll be quick. I have put $12 billion in an escrow account. Once we kill President Aronov and you've transferred control of your satellites to us, the contingencies will be lifted.
I have my own contingency.
And what would that be?
These satellites are the most powerful on Earth. Their surveillance is unparalleled. After the transfer, I don't exist. Me, my wife, my children, we are exempt from your prying eyes. We remain free.
한편 애비와 대화하는 메이슨.
I'm sorry for what I did to you. For what he took from you. I don't recognize him. The man that's capable of. That's part of me. But I'm here too. Everything I'm doing is for you. I will do anything for you. I love you.
Do you remember the weekend we went to Portland?
Yeah.
We stayed at the Marriott and got hammered in the parking lot. Do you remember I left? Got another room. I mean, you were pretty fucking wasted, so I don't think you'd remember. But yeah, I left. And the reason that I did was because when we were in bed, you said her name. Nadia. You whispered it in your sleep. That was the first time. It happened after that a dozen more times over the years, and I should have told you, but I told myself I didn't know how. And I try to believe otherwise, but I always felt that when you looked at me, when you really looked at me, you were somehow hoping you'd see her. I don't think you can blame it all on him. On Mason.
애비의 가슴을 후벼 파는 말에 메이슨은 짐을 챙기며 애비에게 당부합니다.
Right, you lock the door. If anyone comes, doesn't matter who it is, you shoot first. Understand? When I get back, we'll talk.
I won't be here when you get back.
What do you mean?
You go do this. I'm gonna go get Hendrix and I'll take her someplace you'll never find us.
I go do this and we can get back to our lives.
No, that's what you said a month ago. You'd finish the mission, we'd go back to our lives. That's what you said. Here we are again. So I can see how this repeats. One more mission and I am kept from my kid. Off-grid, stashed somewhere until you come back for me, until you say so. And you and Nadia are off saving the world again. And Hendrix and I, we give up everything so that you don't have to let go of anything. Do you understand?
God, it's not like that at
Isn't
all.
it? Why'd you come back?
그리고 불똥은 나디아에게 튀고 마는데요.
I was pulled back in.
Or was it him? Were you two drawn back to each other to save the world? It's a perfect cover.
It's not a cover. Everything I'm doing is for my daughter, and that's it.
Do you love him? You may hate him, but do you love him? The least you can do is tell me the truth.
I wish I didn't.
Do you love her?
I'm not doing this
Why not?
because it's cruel.
The truth is cruel.
I just risked everything to save your life.
Do you love Nadia?
I love you.
Then we go now. We go get Hendrix. We do not look back. You can't have both.
고민하던 메이슨은 애비의 질문에 조심스레 답하죠.
Let's go get our little girl.
그 시각 에디슨의 해킹이 마무리돼 갑니다.
Yeah.
It's ready. She's done it.
Activate.
On it. Do it.
Sorry.
그때 애비가 이상한 감각을 느끼기 시작하고
What the fuck are you doing? It's you.
그렇게 애비는 암살자 설레스트로 변신해 두 사람을 위협합니다.
Hold on, okay? We gotta move you. Okay, come on.
도망쳐버린 애비를 뒤로 한 채 메이슨을 살리기 위해 처절하게 움직이는 나디아.
I'm so sorry. I love you.
I love you. Hold on, okay?
하지만 결국 메이슨은 그대로 숨을 거두고 말죠. 잠시 후 버나드 일행이 핏자국을 따라 두 사람을 찾아내고
She's gonna pulse.
Get her inside.
Sorry, Bernard.
그렇게 버나드는 허무하게 메이슨을 잃고 말았습니다.
Go! Come on, find the shot. Get the shot!
냉정하게 버나드는 이곳에서 무슨 일이 있었는지 추측하기 시작하고
Hey, it's all right. Sorry. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Mason.
What happened?
It was Abby, right?
What are you talking about?
Why would Abby kill Mason?
Because she's the fucking assassin. They used the backstop chip that was already in her head.
What? Fuck me.
그 시각 완전히 암살자로 변해버린 애비는 대통령실의 기자들을 따라왔는데요. 소름 돋는 미소와 함께 애비는 기자로 신분을 변장하는 데 성공합니다. 한편 메이슨의 시신을 보고서야 그가 죽었다는 걸 실감하는 나디아.
The G8's in 2 hours. You need to get going.
Okay.
Where are you going?
I'm going to find Joanna. She'll be somewhere nearby with a transmitter. I'm going to try to power that down and turn Abby off. You three need to get into that castle and stop her from killing President Aronoff.
The three of us. I see two of us. Fucking Mr. Rogers over here. He draws too much attention.
Rogers. If you think I'll slow you down, I'll just stay here.
He didn't mean it that way.
I did. I do.
I couldn't give a fuck how he means it.
You're down 2 agents. You got to get going.
Just one.
그 사이 달리아는 누군가의 딸 사진을 보고 있습니다. 그 시각 버나드는 프랜시스에게 자신의 각오를 밝힙니다.
Joanna checked in last night, so I'll be seeing you on the other side.
Okay.
What's wrong?
I did this to him. I killed Mason. I killed his father. I brought him into the agency.
The weight of all this does not rest on your shoulders.
I'm going to kill Joanna. I'm going to fucking kill them all. And if I don't get out, I want you to finish it. As we discussed.
Yeah.
And I want you to take care of my family.
You have my word.
Thanks.
All the best.
다음 날 정상회담이 열리는 장소에 도착하는 애비. 잠시 후 허치 일행 역시 검문을 받는데요.
Hey, how's it going?
IDs?
Yeah.
We're right here.
Oh. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Got nothing, Gordon.
Right.
Everyone get out of the car.
Look, Langley's not going to be happy to hear about this. So if you like having a job, I would go back and check one more time. Friendly advice.
Gordon. They're there. Sorry about that.
Now you're off the Christmas list. So.
그렇게 허치 일행이 통과하는 사이 달리아는 누군가의 딸이 다니는 학교까지 찾아옵니다.
Hey, how's my girl?
Dad? How are we, Malcolm?
Dahlia, what are you doing?
Give me what I need, and your daughter lives. Understood?
What do you want?
Paolo Braga's fortune. All of it.
You're fleecing me for the equivalent of the GDP of a small nation.
Some would say that's a small price to pay for the life of their daughter. Ciao, ciao.
곳곳에서 시작되는 계획을 뒤로 한 채 정상회담 장소로 대통령들이 도착하기 시작합니다.
There. She must be heading for the roof.
You're not wearing a gold badge. You can't go up these stairs.
We're Americans. We're CIA.
I don't give a hog's titties who you are. Badges, or you can piss off.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Well, thank you very much. La solution, c'est pas toujours un coup dans les couilles.
Yeah, well, sometimes it is.
애비의 암살을 막기 위해 세 사람이 옥상으로 향하던 그때
There had to be a million fucking stairs.
얼마 전 셀린과 허치를 제압했던 아파르나가 이들 앞을 막아서고
Go! Get Abby! You good?
Yeah.
Wow.
그 시각 옥상을 지키는 요원에게 다가가는 애비.
It can't be overstated how important these sites are.
그렇게 모두가 바쁘게 움직이는 사이 버나드는 조아나가 있는 호텔로 향하는데요.
Hey.
So with this inclusion of the conference,
버나드는 메이슨의 복수와 애비를 멈추기 위해 조아나를 지키는 요원들을 처리하기 시작합니다. 결국 현역 요원 못지않은 솜씨를 보여주며 모두를 제압하는 버나드.
we see the president's car arriving.
그렇게 운명의 시간은 점점 다가오고 있었습니다. 이때 손전등을 밀어넣는 프랜시스. 그리고 애비가 심호흡을 하며 방아쇠를 당기려던 그때
You gonna kill me?
This is not you.
You gonna kill your best friend? I understand you just want to kill the life of the man that you love, right? Now what are you gonna tell my daughter? Are you gonna look that little girl in the eyes and tell her that you murdered her mom? Are you willing to do that? And what about your own daughter?
Well, someone has a very devoted staff.
Don't make me do this. Just come with me.
What's going on? What's happening? Did you just shoot me? Please help me.
Don't do it.
There's no stopping it now. The tech works. The assassination's happening.
I know.
어째선지 침착한 버나드를 뒤로 한 채 어떤 스위치를 꺼내드는 프랜시스.
I wanted to.
현장은 아수라장이 되고 그 사이 프랜시스가 비밀 임무를 수행합니다. 그렇게 프랜시스는 버나드의 부탁대로 러시아 대통령을 암살해버리는데요.
It's done. See, you're not the only person who wanted Aronov killed. I've made a very compelling financial offer to the Prime Minister.
You should let me live. Let me help you.
You killed Mason King. And if you hurt someone I love,
그 시각 애비 역시 안타깝게 목숨을 잃고 말죠. 잠시 후 한 곳에 모이는 버나드 일행.
Bernard! What the fuck happened? It wasn't her. We stopped her. It wasn't Abby.
I know. It was us.
You murdered Aronov?
What the fuck did you do?
It's all part of the plan.
A plan that unfortunately I couldn't tell you about.
What he means is he couldn't tell you.
So what, he told you? You trusted him?
He doesn't have emotional attachment to compromise him. That's why I trusted him. We needed the satellites, and I didn't trust any of you to risk what it would take to get them.
You got Abby killed. You got Mason killed.
You have never been willing to sacrifice anyone, even when given the choice.
That's what they were to you? Just pawns to fucking sacrifice?
No, no.
Then what?
Look, what we did today is bigger than any of us.
This is fucking insane!
With Aronov dead, the Prime Minister takes office, and we keep the most dangerous satellites ever built out of the hands of the families.
And we've put them in the hands of the Russians instead.
The Prime Minister is someone who can be negotiated with. He will sell the satellites for a price.
To who?
To us. We will bury Manticore.
You're a fucking snake. But on the other hand, sound of killing those Manticore scumbags does have a certain ring to it.
You knew it was Abby. You knew Abby was the assassin when she came back to us, didn't you?
버나드의 냉정함에 나디아는 치를 떨며 사라지고 마는데요.
We don't need her.
다음 날 나디아를 제외한 요원들이 버나드를 따라 비행기에 탑승합니다.
Did you get her? Joanna? Did you make it brutal?
And you?
32 billion.
그렇게 파울루의 돈을 얻은 버나드는 총리에게 전화를 하는데요.
What in the fuck was that, Joanna?
I'm stepping in for Joanna. She made a mess. And I thought you might want someone with a steadier hand. She was offering you 12 billion. I'm going to offer you 24 billion. We have a deal, or what? I'm very sorry.
잠시 후 위성 감지 시스템에 접근하는 셀린.
I'm in.
Do it.
결국 모두를 불행하게 만들었던 최첨단 감지 시스템은 버나드에 의해 소멸되기 시작합니다.
Jesus Christ, Bernard. You bought all those satellites just to blow them up?
Billions evaporating into the atmosphere.
Nobody should have that kind of power. Nobody.
그날 이후 2달 만에 나디아는 메이슨과 애비의 묘를 찾았는데요.
Took you longer than I thought.
We hadn't finished our conversation. You reconsidering my offer?
This is the last time you'll ever see me.
Everything we do is to protect.
Protect who? You have wiped out entire families while your family sits in...
Yes, sits in a safe house. My daughter hasn't been outside because she has a target on her head. And I will probably never see her again. So that I could ensure that everybody else's kids are safe.
You are not supposed to retire. You're supposed to work with us. For your daughter.
Not working with you is for my daughter. And if I stay in this with you, she just becomes another pawn.
They're gonna track you down, you know. All the Manticore families, CIA, all of them.
Let them. I was raised in the shadows. I think I'll be fine. A parting gift. I can't put Asha at risk, but there are others out there who can help you kill the Manticore families. We're not the only ones that survived the fall of Citadel. Find them. Careful there, Bernard.
이렇게 나디아가 버나드와 이별하는 모습으로 드라마 시타델 시즌2는 막을 내립니다.